policy, human rights, global governance, environmental issues. The field now includes other actors such as corporations, NGOs, and additional issues such as cultural identity and ethics. I are studying not only relationships but also power politics, means the imperialism and imperial state influence on the developing countries. Questions of war and peace, इन जितने भी वार हुए, कोल्ड वार्स है, वर्ल्ड वार्स है, या जितने भी पीस ट्रीटीज है, वो यहाँ स्टडी किया जाता है. रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द इंडिविजुअल एंड फॉरेन गवर्नमेंट्स. एक इंडिविजुअल फॉरेन गवर्नमेंट को किस तरह इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं. हम इसकी एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं जिस तरह उसामा बिन लादेन था, जमाल खशोगी का जो यूएस जर्नलिस्ट जिससे सऊदी में किया गया था. इसमें हम कमर्शियल, कल्चरल, इंटेलेक्चुअल, इकोनॉमिक और दूसरे इशू जो होते हैं इसको डिस्कस करते हैं यहाँ में. इट आल्सो स्टडीज द इंटरनेशनल अलायंसेस एंड ट्रीटीज. इन जितने भी अलायंस हुए, नेटो है या यूएन है, ये जितने भी पीस ट्रीटीज है या वर्ल्ड समिट वगैरह. स्टेट एंड नॉन स्टेटिज्म इन यार. विलियम शेक्सपियर की एक कोटेशन है इसके बारे में. ऑल द वर्ल्ड्स स्टेज and the world stage has many players but it engaged in the great game of international affairs. यानी दुनिया जो है वो एक स्टेज है और इस स्टेज पर जितने भी प्लेयर्स हैं, यानी प्लेयर्स के मतलब स्टेट है, वो इंटरनेशनल अफेयर्स के गेम में एंगेज्ड हैं. पहला चैप्टर है स्टेट एज एन एक्टर. स्टेट इज द यूनिवर्सल एक्नॉलेज्ड एंड ओल्डेस्ट एक्टर इन द वर्ल्ड स्टेज. State is a political unit that has sovereignty over the specific territory and people within it. Together, states form an international state system of 196 independent states. State system and IR. Although states are sovereign, but they cannot live in isolation. They have to influence and coexist with one another. Intergovernmental organizations, NGOs. These are established by the states usually through a treaty or alliances. Example of NGOs are United Nations, International Atomic Energy Agency, International Monetary Fund, the World Bank Group, and the World Trade Organization. These all are operated by the consent of states. Third one is the non-governmental organizations, NGOs. These are non-profit and voluntary organizations that aim to advocate and pursue public goods. They are engaged in the human rights issues of humanitarian aid, economic development, and social welfare. Examples of NGOs are Red Cross, Greenpeace, Oxfam, and Amnesty International. Multinational corporations are enterprises. These are profit companies. They spend their interest in more than one state. Examples are IBM, Samsung, General Electric, Bank of America. Transnational terrorists or militant groups such as Al-Qaeda, ISIS, or the movements or protesters also act as an actor. The media such as BBC, CNN, etc. are the research centers such as Brookings institutions, once on foreign relations also act as an actor. Individual is also an actor in the international relation. जिस तरह मैंने एग्जांपल दिए, उसामा बिन लादेन है, जमाल खशोगी, जितने भी इंडिविजुअल है वो फॉरेन गवर्नमेंट को इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकते हैं. इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन इज द स्टडी ऑफ इंटरेक्शंस among the various actors that participate in the international politics. It is the study of behaviors of these actors as they participate individually or collectively in the international political processes. The value of IR in a globalized society. It promotes successful trade policies between the nations. It encourages travel, which is related to business, tourism, immigration. This provides people with the opportunities to enhance their lives. It allows nations to cooperate and share resources and information for the global issues such as pandemics, terrorism, and environment. It advances human cultural flow, culture exchanges, diplomacy, and world government. That's it. This is the question.